In this video, we'll look at a couple of designs for table to represent the relationship between quantitative variables. The first one is among one set of quantitative values associated with multiple categorical items. If you look in this particular design, we have multiple categories such as region, product categories, and years of different order dates. So among these, there is no hierarchical relationship like we have seen before. So let's go ahead and design this table in Tableau and then start with region and then put product categories next to it that we can expand if needed. And then for another category, I'm taking the order date, and this time I'm putting the year of order date into columns, so it goes in different columns. The quantitative value I'm choosing is again sales. So let's take sum of sales and put that as the quantitative value. So you can see now that we have multiple categories which are not having a hierarchical relationship amongst themselves. So region is not related to category in a hierarchical relationship. Similarly, these two variables are not related to order date. So this is one of the table designs. Let's rename the sheet as multiple categories. And once again, I'm going to change the chart title. So I've changed the chart title to reflect what this data suggests. Now, what if you wanted to represent multiple quantitative values for a category in a single table? So this time we want, for every year, we want to show profit, the number of quantity, and sales. So once again, let's go ahead and design this table. I'm going to take the order date, put that in my rows. So every row is a different year. Now I'm going to take all the quantities that we have. Let's say we start with profit. I'm going to put that as one of my quantities here. The next one I'm going to do is quantity, and finally sales. We can see that by default it is trying to draw a line diagram for us, but since we want table, we can go ahead and choose the table design again. And by itself, I see it's different than the design that we chose, but if you want to go back to that design, we can transpose using one of these icons here. So swap rows and columns, and I'm going to rename the worksheet again. This time I'm calling it multiple quantitative values, and again rename the chart title to reflect KPIs for by year, because these are the key indicators. So KPIs by. That's all you need to do. And we can see that we have worked on different table designs. There can be a lot more table designs, and you can add more variables to any one of these. That's all. You can go ahead, make sure you have saved your file. Once again, double check that you save it as a Tableau packaged workbook with an extension TWBX.